For many people, the goal of their online course is to make a little extra money on the side, but they fail to make any real profit from their course. The reason for this is that they do not know how to implement effective course payments. To help you avoid this, here are 3 tried and true payment ideas to try out. Idea 1. Charge up front. The easiest way to make money with your online course is to charge up front. Having one easy payment at the beginning of the course will ensure that students pay the fee. Additionally, it will let you see the money from the beginning of the course. There are several reasons why charging up front is the most effective way to make money on your online course. Firstly, we are used to paying upfront fees for education. Think about college. Students have to pay a tuition fee before they can go to class. Charging upfront for your online course works the same way. Additionally, charging upfront alleviates any confusion about payment options, and it prevents students from forgetting to pay down the line.